Today I'm going to show you how to build boards in Asana. So if you do want to build a board, the first thing you want to do is make sure that when you are in your project, you go to the board view. And within the board view, you want to make sure that you have these columns over here, okay? And each one of these columns will say something different. Now, this will all be dependent on what type of project you're creating. So for example, let's say as a video creator and editor, I want to go ahead and click on this over here. So I want to just make this idea. Here, we want to perhaps say, instead of milestones, we want to say filming. Here, we want to not say next step. Now we want to say editing. And then over here, we are going to say delivered or posted, depending on if you're delivering to a customer or if you're posting on social media. And this is basically how you're going to build a working and functioning board. Okay. Now there's a bunch of other things that you can do here. Of course, you can sort them differently. You can filter out different boards. There are some additional options here. You can change the icon, the layout options. So you've got our card size over here. You can make it smaller. We can have a color board column over here. We can turn that on and off. And then we can also show card images. Now inside each one of these cards over here, which you can click down and drag about, very easy. What's lovely is you can actually click on the little pencil icon. You can change what it says over here. So we can just say, for example, video 1, and then you can put the priority as high, medium, or low, or you can just edit the options out over here. So you can add in an extra option, and we can say, for example, super low, and save the changes. You can also track the progress. So you can see over here, this is currently not started because in here, these are just our ideas. Now in filming, if you want to just like move this over, you can say that maybe we've started filming this one, and you can change all of these. We can change all of these labels as well. Okay, so all you need to do is click on edit options. You can remove, you can reorder, and you can add additional ones over here. And there you go. Now you've created a board that actually works for you. And once you are done, you can actually change the properties as well of each one of these lists. So for example, you can add a rule here. So let's say, for example, we want to set a rule that allows you to send an email to a client once that particular card has actually reached this list over here. You can also add sections within this list over here on this board.